So again, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So time check. It's 9:30 a.m. and the environment does not look normal. Haha. Diba usually guys sa Cebu City basta 8 na gaya na 7. Grabe na nakainit. Pero karon no, look at the sky. The sky is clear naman siya guys. But then you cannot see the sun. Where's the sun? Where's the sun, everybody? The sun is usually is naman sa likod, di ba? So, wala tayong nakitang araw. Aso! Wala tayong nakitang araw ngayong araw. There's no sunrise in the sunrise. So we cannot say that sunrise is sunrising because there is no sun. Sun to the nearest shore. It's going down. The dog is dogging. Oh, kay Ero nalingaw. Saya lagi. Kasi doge, sayaw pa. Yan, kinako eh doge. The dog is dogger. Sino to talisay? Sino to tabunok no if morning kay if pa south ko wala traffic, di ba? Pero maabot na gid mga alas 12 hapon na baw lang. Stuck ako sa traffic. Ay! That's not good, bro. You cannot just break the breaker. So now? Grabe. Grabe guys, watching adlaw. Mapangyarihan ng araw. Sundin. Unsa kay na? Tamo na dyan. Tay. Oy, tay. Guys, tatay o nagkaklik. Bip, bip ni mo tay. Bip, 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 bip. Sabi na to fail.